Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and today I want to sit down and just do a tutorial. Today when I woke up, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a grunge look today. It's been a minute. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I really have to say. Oh, also I'm supposed to say, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, it's annoying when YouTubers in every video say, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's annoying, but statistics show, because I was reading this last night for some reason, and it's proven over and over again that if you say like and subscribe, people do it. First and foremost, I'm gonna start with my Skin Milk makeup, and it's their Hydro Grip Primer. I've used this a handful of times, and I just use like a little bit and I apply with my fingers. So this is a hydrating, it's a makeup gripping primer. I only use a little bit. So at first, like when I first got this product, I was like, ooh, I love anything hydrating because I'm so dry right now. So automatically I'm like, you know, when you put something hydrating on your skin, you expect it to be like moist, your skin to be moist, just kind of feel wet almost, or hydrated. With this one, it's like, it has like a tacky, not a tacky feel, because I feel like if tacky sounds bad. It has a feeling where it's, fucking A, Bailey, get it together. Okay, look, it's got like a tacky feel to it, not in a bad way. It's interesting. I just don't have a primer like this. So this is the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen, and I'm just gonna like come up in here and do some feathering. Milk Makeup. This is the Flex Concealer. I have the shade Fair, and this concealer is nice. It's creamy, it's hydrating. So I'm putting this all underneath my eyes, on my chin. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that into the skin. So next I'm taking this palette from Mayron, their contour and highlight palette. So I'm gonna come in with this color right here, just a deeper cream color to contour with. Fernando got me this brush for Christmas. It's Dior, a teardrop tip to it. And I just felt like it was so pretty. I couldn't use it, so it's just kind of been sitting here and I stare at it. I go like, and then he asked me today, he's like, do you use your brush? And I was like, no. It's too pretty. And he was like, kind of bummed about it. So today I'm using it. He's so sweet. So I'm patting it in my, oh my gosh, it's even, my breakouts are even worse down here. I didn't see my double chin. This brush is actually quite nice. And I'm just gonna blend it into the skin. So once that is all blended out, I come in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow number 203, and I just take like a fluffier brush. This is from It Cosmetics. It's double-ended, but this end got completely frayed and destroyed. It's one thing I hate about double-ended brushes. One side has to make the sacrifice. Just kind of tap over everything. So I'm just putting a little bit of the concealer onto my eyelids as my eyeshadow primer, because I just don't feel like reaching for an eyeshadow primer. I got a package from Makeup Geek. So the Makeup Geek team sent over all of these shadows. It was so nice. If you watch some of my older tutorials, I'm talking like go back, remember the eyeshadow fortune teller? Everything. Makeup Geek eyeshadows are the eyeshadows that I use in my freelance makeup kit. They're just so beautiful and they blend so lovely. This one is called Tan Lines Matte, no shine to it. Pretty simple look. Watch me go. I need a brush. Come on, Bailey. Just with like a all over shadow brush. Placing this onto my lid, and then just with like a light touch, softly blend it out. A brush that has nothing on it, like a fluffier brush, because I just want to soften this edge right here. That's all. This shade is called Latte. I'm going to do the same brush. And then just kind of like pack it at the lash line. Oops, I got fallout. Damn it, I didn't put powder on. And then with like a small brush, because this one's a little too big, so I just need something smaller. Boom Shakalaka, this one. That first shade, Tan Lines. I'm gonna take this underneath my lower lash line. This shade, it's called Prism, so it looks just kind of white or cream, but it has like a pink shift to it. So with a small brush, I'm just popping this right in my tear duct. Ooh. And then, okay, now with the Lancome Long Time No Shine Translucent powder. Let's use this to set my under eye because it's creasing. I'm also doing like down the nose, middle of the forehead, anywhere that I get really shiny. Mayron Contour Highlight Pressed Powder. You can use these as setting powders or for contours, highlights. This shade up here, just to kind of like set the cream. Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. So I'm gonna put on a coat of mascara, my top and bottom lashes. I curled my lashes already. Really been into curling my lashes. I've been using the Lancome eyelash curler. That one works so well. So for lip, I have NARS Precision Lip Liner. Oh, bitch. How do you say this name? I don't know. It's brown. Why would they do that? That's so rude. Don't they know I can't pronounce? I could look it up, but I should have been done like a long time ago, and yeah. I hate feeling rushed. I hate that feeling. I have no one to blame but myself. Then I have Black Moon Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Grim. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna add a highlight. This is Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Palette. I use this all the time. I can't ever remember the name, ever. Anyways, I'm gonna use this, like a mixture of these two center ones. Here we go, one more time. Everybody's feeling fine, here we go now. And there we go, this is the finished look. It's easy. I know you can do it. 2 colors on my lid. No, I'm not. No, it's not. It's 3. I'm sorry. I'm a liar. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? I can't dance, turns out. Surprise. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day today. You make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon.